This is the Python Fundamentals course for beginners. So what's so special about Python? You probably have heard Python for data analytics, Python for web development, or Python for AI. Python is a very versatile language. According to this report, in 2024, Python had the most number of open job postings in the US. And since this is a beginner's course, I'm not going to ask you to install any software. We are going to use Google Colab. It is web-based. It is very easy and intuitive to use. To use Google Colab, head over to your browser and search Google Colab. If you haven't signed in yet, it will ask you to sign in. After that, you can create a new notebook. You can change the title of the notebook. I will change it to Lesson 1. And this is where you can type your code. Let's do the famous Hello World. Click this button, it will run your code. The first time you run the code, it will need to connect to the back-end Python engine. So it takes a little bit of time. You can see the result is here. We can add a more section of code. I will print 1 plus 2. Run the code, I'll get 3. You can also add code from here, or we can add a text. So I'll put this is my first Python program. But I want to put this at the beginning of this file. So let's click this arrow and move it up.